Hello folks, welcome to the channel. If you're encountering Windows Update install error 0x80070020, then watch this video for the solutions. The first solution is to run the Windows Update troubleshooter. For that, we'll right click on the start button, go to settings, click on system and scroll down for troubleshoot, click on troubleshoot, other troubleshooters, and then we will click on the run button here next to Windows Update and let the troubleshooter run. Once that is done, we will reset the Windows components. For that, we need to copy the script. You will find the script in the description of the video. Just copy the first line and then press Ctrl A, which will copy all the commands, Ctrl C, and then we will open command prompt. Right click on command prompt to run as administrator in the elevated command button, and then paste all the commands here, and this will reset your Windows up components. Now just to explain the script to you, if you want to know what the script is really, it will stop the bits and the Windows services. It will also stop the DVC services and the crypt services. It will delete the all users profile file, and it will re-register the system root files and the software distribution in the catroot2 folders, and then it will re-register all these DLLs, and then after doing that it will reset WinSock. It will then start the bits and the Windows services which it had stopped, and your update install error should no longer show. If this video helped you, then kindly subscribe to the channel. Enjoy your day.